So hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Institute. Today I will talk about difference between been and gone. When talking about past travel experiences, we typically use been to mean gone or visited, usually with ever, never. Have you ever been to Australia? Is equal to have you ever visited Australia? Yes, I have been there 3 times. Is equal to I have gone there 3 times. No, I have never been there. Is equal to I have never visited. The word been describes trips that have happened at an indefinite time in the past and implies that the person has returned from the trip. I have been to Germany twice. I'm not in Germany now, but I have visited Germany 2 times at some point in the past. We have not been to India yet. We have not yet visited India at any point in the past. Have you ever been to Asia? Have you ever visited Asia at any point in the past? When talking about recently going to a place and the person is still there, we use gone. Sorry, Bob's not in his office. He's already gone home for the day. Is equal to he went home and he is still at home. Maria's gone to the hospital. Maria has gone to the hospital because she is about to have the baby. Is equal to she went to the hospital and she is still at the hospital. My sister has gone to South America on vacation. She will be back next month. Is equal to she went to South America and she is still in South America. We can also use went in these cases. Bob already went home. Maria went to the hospital. My sister went to South America. This is especially common in American English. Is it? Thank you so much.